Okay, we're up on the roof. See how high the tree is from here? Still up there. Okay, so we basically used the utility knife and just started cutting. And it was, I remember several years ago, a crack got in here and I didn't notice it, and I figured damage was occurring or had occurred. At the time I geckoed it, I didn't have time to deal with it, or at least I felt I didn't. And I think that's when it happened. Now, it was totally dry, but I was able to cut out all the junk. I made these little pieces to fill in. I don't know if I can get them out. I kind of hammered this one in a little bit in this way. But it was a little deeper in this one spot here. So I took the chisel, split off a little hemlock, put it in there. So I get my about 1 inch right here is what I got hemlock. So this piece I'm sure, I'm quite confident I can hammer it down and then put one nail in it to hold it. This is solid wood down in here. There's like 6 inches of solid wood in here. So I know I can nail to it. I'm also gonna caulk. I'm probably gonna try to pull these out and caulk them. Caulk everything in there. I don't want like a little ant home in there, which there's no reason that would happen because they need some moisture from what I understand. But regardless, this is a chance for me to caulk everything in. At least one nail to nail it down, and then gecko over the top. So this is it's not rocket science here. It's just tedious persistence. My chisel's not very sharp. I need to sharpen that, but it's enough to do the job. And then I just blew it out with my own breath and shut my eyes so I wasn't inhaling or getting it in my eyes, plus safety glasses. And it's just basically sawdust that I pulled out, and you can see it's going down the sides. It's basically just sawdust. It's so rotted. But now down here, this is not sawdust. This is hard. You can hammer this. You can try to chisel it. This is hard. I took all of the soft sawdusty wood out. So we're down to the good stuff. Okay, let's get this put back together, and then that will open us up for doing the aluminum along this whole edge over here. And if I remember correctly, that's all good over there, but we'll retest it. We can do that just by pressing down hard, maybe even a nail, sample nails, and then gecko over them holes if it's all good. If it's not, we have to do this. We have to fix it. Okay, let's get it back together.